Hello, and welcome to Studio 415.
On today's show, you'll get an update on the Carroll construction and plans for a new building.
And you'll learn about different opportunities offered at Carroll to improve your mental health.
All of that and more coming up next.
Construction, and you can hear the drilling a lot, and it's pretty loud.
It's kind of our 10-year plan for NACS, and one of the things in that plan has been a Career Tech Center.
Part of my role here is to provide ongoing therapeutic services to some people.
Welcome to Studio 415. I'm LLM.
And I'm Taylor Green.
Carroll High School has been undergoing an expansion and renovation project for almost a year now. As this project continues, there's another construction project on the horizon.
Studio 415 reporter Matt Bennett has an update on the current project and a look ahead to the next one.
Before the construction started last year, students and staff were informed about expansion and renovation coming to the school. Wygand construction workers have been working on classrooms, extensions to both the cafeteria and 1012 side, along with a hallway connecting the freshman center to the 1012 side. These extensions are being added to make more room for the students coming into Carroll from the middle schools. Assistant Superintendent of Operations and Safety Brandon Bidding says there are also plans for a new building to help with new student enrollment.
So over the past few school board meetings, we've presented some information on our kind of our 10-year plan for NACS, and one of the things in that plan has been a Career Tech Center.
If the board agrees on a career tech building, then this will mean that there will be more classrooms added to Carroll that are not attached to the actual building. Bidding also says that the construction is currently under schedule and going how they planned. The construction is expected to be wrapped up by next July, with phase 2 being with the workers inside doing renovations on classrooms. As they were working on the building, Wygand had to take up some of the student parking lot, and some car drivers had to use new routes because of the Carroll Road construction and the construction on the school. Sophomore student Evan Quinn and senior student Hunter Mitchell say how they learn with the construction.
I know one of my classes is right up against the wall of construction, and you can hear the drilling a lot, and it's pretty loud.
The actual construction hasn't really been a huge factor for me. It's not that big of a deal because if I have a class in that area of the building, I can kind of tune it out.
Be on the lookout for construction to be finished and for a new tech building to be built somewhere in the area. For Studio 415, I'm Matt Bennett.
Carroll staff members work hard to keep their students on track academically and mentally.
Studio 415 reporter Jay Barry spoke with Carroll's guidance staff to learn about the different mental health services being provided.
Carroll High School has a range of student guidance programs, all aimed at helping students in different ways. School psychologist Margie Zartman, student assistance counselor Samantha Kreider, and guidance counselor Kristen Boland, as well as other counselors, are all here to assist students. A school psychologist helps test students for IQ and psychological conditions. Margie Zartman, Carroll's psychologist, works with students who are referred to her for possible psychological evaluations. She works on a timeline with each student, setting up plans as well. Zartman works in tandem with the other counselors to adjust student life to better fit the student.
We work together as a team to try to figure out what is causing that problem, because we want them to be successful while they're here. We want to see them graduate, have a great experience educationally.
Another crucial asset to Carroll is the guidance counselors. They do things from changing schedules to advising careers, but many of them also help students with other issues. Junior guidance counselor Kristen Boland places strong importance on personal well-being.
Mental health is just as important as physical health. So if you were ill, you wouldn't hesitate to go to see someone. So I feel like if you're struggling with your mental health, you need to seek out someone as well.
Oftentimes she will meet with students and talk through their problems with the help of a licensed therapy dog, Graham. If you need help modifying your schedule or talking out a problem, feel free to email Boland at kristen.boland@nacs.k12.in.us or talk to your own guidance counselor for their help. Carroll also has the Student Assistance Program, or SAP for short. The SAP is a service provided by Parkview to supply free therapy for students who would otherwise not be able to get the help they need. Carroll's SAP counselor is Samantha Kreider, a licensed therapist from Parkview. She works with students on a daily basis to build coping skills or to otherwise aid their well-being. Kreider is thankful she can provide immediate help to those who may not have the time for outside therapy.
So like if somebody's having a hard day or an anxiety or panic attack, I'm able to work with them in the moment, which not all therapists get to do because sometimes they're those like scheduled appointments and they have to wait till then. So I get to do that kind of crisis management with students as well.
If you'd like to talk to Kreider, you can contact her via email, fill out a guidance slip, or if you have immediate crisis, you can make a visit to the guidance office and see if she's available.
Mental health is important. If you need help, reach out to one of these people. And remember to take care of yourself and check in on your friends. For Studio 415, I'm Jay Berry.
That's all we have for today. Thanks for watching.
If there's a story you'd like us to cover, please let us know.
For all of us here at Studio 415, have a great week, Carroll.